Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUp fun box. For anyone who doesn't know what that is, a fun box is a box of things from ThredUp, who is an online consignments clothing reseller. And the ThredUp, or the items that come in the fun box, are items that for some reason could not be sold. Either they're items that they just don't sell, or they're items that or else they're items that they tried to sell and didn't sell. We don't really know for sure. But a lot of the time, sometimes you'll get a really good gem in there. So I'm super excited. I love fun boxes. And I'm feeling so good today. I have to just tell you, if you've been following the story of my aneurysm recovery, I'm feeling amazing. I don't have a headache right now, which I don't know the last time I woke up without a headache. I still continued to have them somewhat after the surgery, and today is one of those days I don't have one, so that's a really good thing. All right, fun box. Here it is. Let's see. It is from Mechanicsburg. I don't even know if that's worth saying anymore because it looks to me like ThredUp has moved all of their boxes, all of their rescue boxes to Mechanicsburg. Seems like they only come out of Mechanicsburg, no matter what kind of box. So let's open this bad boy up. It's a smaller box. It's really kind of lightweight. I don't know. I think the heavier ones, it's like, ooh, it's heavy. It has to be better. No, that's not really true, but I hope I get something good in here. Let's just go ahead and see. And by the way, while I'm opening this, if you see something you like, everything will be for sale unless I say otherwise, and then I will put prices on the screen, and just send an email to mystepstyle@gmail.com. Okay, we've got fun box, 10 items, $34 plus shipping, so it comes to plus shipping and tax, it comes to $50 for me. You know, every state has different tax rates. Mine comes to $50. So it's about $5 per item. So it's something to keep in mind as you watch. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know what these things are, but it looks inviting. It looks like an inviting box. So, all right, I'm kind of excited about this one. Let's go ahead and see what it is. By the way, oh, I almost forgot. I have to show you this beautiful necklace I got from Bryten Your Day. He is a jewelry reseller out here on YouTube, and he has, I don't know where he gets his stuff. It's amazing, but I bought this from him. He showed it in one of his videos. I love it. It looks like little kind of like gemstones or something. So I will have Bryten's, I will have his channel listed in the description of this video, so you can go check him out. He gets some really good stuff. If you're someone who loves jewelry, you got to check him out. So, all right, moving on to the box. What should we start with? Okay, well, this is pretty. I love the pattern. Oh, huh, who knew? Who knew and then look at this. Who knew Vera Bradley had sunglasses? That is just crazy. Okay, so it's a pair of Vera Bradley sunglasses. I love them. Of course, you know darn well I'm going to have to try them on. Let's just see. I don't know. I feel like I don't know. Of course, I can't see a darn thing without my glasses. They are really cute, and the case that goes with them is really cute too. Plum Crazy is the name of these glasses. So look at the sides. They're super cute. The problem, I think, is that on the top, this top rim, there's a little bit of the color missing. I don't think anyone would notice it. You probably didn't notice it, but there's a little bit of the color missing here and here. So that is what's wrong with these, but these will definitely be for sale. And they come in the case, but the case does have a little bit of a crack on the inside. So this won't be a good item for gifting somebody, but they're really pretty glasses, and they come in the matching case, which is absolutely adorable. So, all right, well, that's cool. All right, next up is a scarf, and it's by the brand Lane Bryant, and it's got these cute little fringes on here. I do love the colors. I absolutely love the colors in this scarf. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. So let's just see how wide it is. It's probably 60 inches. It's about 60 inches wide by about, oh wait, what in the world? Does it have a couple layers or something? Or is it or is this the cape? I see. No, this is a cape. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Okay, you put your arm in here like this. So it's like a, what do you call it? Anyway, there, it's like a, see, if you go like this. Anyway, that is really cute. The colors are adorable. And I mean, Lynn Bryant is plus size, but I don't think it matters if, I think this could fit just about anybody. So, really, really cute. I love the colors in that one. And you know I love floral things. So, okay, that is the second item. Let's get to the third item, which is this pair of gloves by Express. Doesn't say what they're made of. They do feel, let's see, touchscreen compatible gloves. They're cute. I mean, they've got this pattern, what do you call that? It's just a wintry pattern, kind of. You can hardly see. I'm trying to get a good view for you here, but it's hard to see. But anyway, black gloves from Express. Nah, they don't sell for a lot, but I mean, okay, whatever. And because it's winter, we also have a hat. Handmade by Christina. $52? Holy schmokers. What is this? Simply Sweet Studio. Adult hat, 50. Kaylin Cable Beanie. Okay, this is probably wool. I'm going to have to go figure it out, but this is a gorgeous hat. Price tag is still on it. It's brand new. And the price tag says $52. So it's hand knit, I'm sure. That is a beautiful hat. You know what? I live in Minnesota. So I have so many hats, it's beyond ridiculous. So, I mean, I don't need this, otherwise I might just keep it. But it is brand new and it's gorgeous. And actually, this is a great one for regifting. So I will be selling that. I'll put a price on the screen. It's gorgeous, it's brand new. That is really nice, really nice. Okay, next up is, next up is this belt bag, faux leather. It looks like it was at least tried on, but I don't see any like wear to it really. It's got this in here. I don't know what that's for. I guess in case you want to clip it on to something. But this belt bag is, yeah, it's cute. I'll put the dimensions, I'll have to measure it here, but it looks like about a size small, something like that. It's a beige belt bag, faux leather, excellent condition. But yeah, that'll be for sale too. Right, no big crazy surprises yet. Next up is this. Okay, this. What is it? Vivaya. Wait. Vivaya. It looks like it might be a tie. Oh my gosh. Oh! These are they? What are they though? Size, one size, and they're with that gross grain. Oh, I love gross grain ribbon. I don't know what this is. What is it? Okay, I'm gonna just take them off here and show them to you. Vivaya. Is that what is that? I don't know what that is. Doesn't seem like it's for your hair. I don't know. I'm gonna have to research it. It says Dora Solid Black. Now I don't know what this is. Via handmade, stylish, sustainable, detachable accessories to reuse and redesign your favorite shoes. Okay. So they're shoe add-ons. They're shoe clips is what they are. Okay, these are kind of tempted to keep them, but I'm not going to because I got a house full of stuff. Do not need to have any more, but they do not look like they've been used at all. So there we go. Cute. I don't think there's very many things left. Oh, there's small things, so that's okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's take this out of the bag. I haven't gotten a lot of jewelry in these. That is absolutely gorgeous. There is, I can see that there's a sign, it's signed, but I need a magnifying glass to figure out what it's signed with. Right there is where it's signed. I don't know what that says. I don't know. However, It's a really cute pin. It's really cute. I don't see any of the gemstones missing. You know, they're just crystals, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. Probably glass. I don't know. I'm going to have to look up and see what the name is on that. So, it's just barely out of reach of me being able to read it. Okay, well, dog socks. I don't know if you know how much I love dogs, but I don't love long socks. I only wear short socks. So these are hot socks. They are Macy's brand. They're from Macy's. All right. Those will be for sale. Good Christmas gift right there. You can get them for cheap. And there you go. And all right. So and the next thing is, I can't believe they're putting jewelry in these. That is just a little bit surprising. But this is my second jewelry thing in here. But that's okay. I got these. These are cute. Champagne glasses. Oh my gosh. They are adorable. With the bubbly, kind of bubbling over. Look at those. They're so cute. Oh my heaven's sakes. They're just absolutely adorable. They haven't been worn. It doesn't look like they still have this protective covering thing on them. So anyway, those are adorable. The champagne earrings. I like them. I mean, I don't see any like, woo, oh my gosh, items in this box, but there's some really cute stuff in here, so yeah. All right, one item, 2 items left. The first one is this. Oh, this is a travel bag. What's the brand? Does not look like it's been used. Is there a little, it looks like there's a mark there, like a discolor mark. But I do not think this thing has been used. These are great for traveling. You don't want your makeup and everything to get all over the place. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's going to sell for too much, but I'll sell it out here. And there's one thing left. Let's see what this is. It's this. I don't know what it is. It's just a hard side kind of, is it a jewelry holder maybe? Yeah, I think it's a jewelry holder, and its brand is Monso. Show you the here's the tag. I'll put it right side up so you can see it better. Monso. All right, so here's the key for what's in here. Charger, USB cord, and a mouse. So this isn't really a cosmetics thing. It's more of a, you can put your peripheral, you can put all your computer stuff when you travel, I think, in here. You know, something for there. We got the cords. These come out. This is pretty nifty. I travel and I do bring my tech stuff with me when I travel. So, but again, do I need it? No, I don't. So I will be selling this. I just wonder what's on this side. Okay, I see. So there's this divider in between, and it's really nice. It's really nice. It doesn't look like it's been used at all. So Monso. Okay. All right, we're not going to break any world's records with this box. However, yeah, it was okay. It was okay. I'm not going to be like, wah, or anything. But anyway, that number was that Monso thing. Here is this travel carrier, the dog socks, the Vivaya black gross grain ribbon shoe clips, adorable as can be. These cute champagne earrings. This, that I have to check out the brand name for. This belt bag that I gotta show you the size. This beautiful knitted hat, absolutely adorable. Probably wool. These express gloves that you can text with. This pretty tasseled kind of cape that you put on your arms and stuff. And then the Vera Bradley glasses. So that is today's fun box. It wasn't the most fun one I've ever gotten, but it was pretty decent. I don't know if I'll make my money back. I kind of don't think so, but you know what? It's still fun to open them up and see. So thank you for watching and have a great day.